Hello guys, welcome to my channel New Tech Series. In this video, I wish to convey about the electronic nose. It's also called as an e-nose. Abstract. In last 2 decades, improvement in material sensors, machine learning technologies, LEDs, to rapid extension of an electronic nose as EN. And then it used in food and beverage industries, agriculture and forestry, medicine and healthcare, indoor and outdoor monitoring, military and civilization security system, as it leads a field which take great advantage. As electronic nose technology provides a numerous benefits and advantages, both hardware and software components are necessary for utilizing EN in practice. And it's provided an extension survey of technology. It's a wide range of application field through a comprehensive analysis of algorithm proposed in the literature. Introduction. As image processing is inspired by the sense of sight, an electronic nose is also called as an odor sensor, hormone sensor, mechanical nose, or a flavor sensor, or multi-sensor, or a artificial nose or odor sensing system technology. And it's in technology through automatic identification and it's a classification of an odor. It's very challenging issue because since it's just a chemical mixture, it will be hazardous to humans who work in that chemical companies or factories. And it's a natural interaction with 3 types as synchronism, composition, and masking. And together with the development in EN device, several studies were completed by order industries to understand a mixture of an order interaction and a sensor response to these interactions. Histories. As the first research are gone in 1920s, and its smell began during the idea to detect the aroma with a chemical electronic sensor array was previously mentioned. However, EN concept could not be actualized at time due to limitation in sensor technology, lack of sensors in technologies like that. And in late 1990s, the electronic nose was mentioned, and according to initial definition, an EN composed multi-sensor array responsible for detecting chemical components. And recently, due to provision of a reliable solution and its rapidly low cost and complex, EN concept has become popular in agriculture and in food and water industries, medicine and security system. And it's the working of a normal human, and it's a working of electronic nose. As the normal order will goes to the nose, and then the signal will give, and then the nose will give the signal to the brain. As like the same, the electronic nose, the ordered particles will goes to sensor array like a nose, and then it gives signals or a data to data analysis to take another action about what are actions like that. And then working as the electronic nose was developed in order to mimic the human olfactory, and it consists of an array of sensors able to generate an electronic signals, and in response to either simple or a complex volatile component present in the gaseous sample. Like that, essential e-nose consists of 3 major parts. First is a sample delivery system, and second is a detection system, and third is a computing system. It's 3 divided parts working in electronic nose. And in sample delivery system, work is to enable a generation of a sample which is to be analyzed. And then a detection system, it's a contains a group of a sensor to sense the compounds, and then the response is recorded by the electronic interface, and it transfers the signal into digital values. And then it goes next to computing system, and it combines a response of all sensors and to produce a result. and then this result can be easily analyzed with a database of qualified samples, and then the new samples are identified by comparing those old samples and the new samples with the database. And it is a working pattern of an electronic nose, as that the sample or a chemical component will be smelled by the electronic nose, and there will be recorded the 8 types of aroma with separate database, and then the chemical component will be smelled by the electronic nose, and it select one type, and then it gives a signal to the computer about the type of a database, and it will recognize their pattern, and it gives a final result. It's a biological node or a normal nodes functioning by using an organs, and its electronic nodes uses the components related to the organs, and so inhaling organs will related to electronic nodes in components of a pump. Mucus functioning is about filter, and olfactory epithelium is about sensors, and building with proteins is interactions, and enzymatic proteins is reactions, and cell membrane depolarized is about signals, and nerve impulse is a circuitry and neural networks. Advantage: the human sniffers are costly, or it's compared to about the electronic nodes, and then also the detection of hazardous gas by them is a hazard to the human beings. And then electronic nose has a wide range of sensitivity, and result about the electronic nodes are fast and more accurate comparing about the human straws, etc. And it's well suited for repetitive or boring tasks, and it can also detect substances, and it detects by like a human nose. And when applications are used in medical diagnostic and health monitoring, it's also used in environment monitoring, and it's also used application in food industries and detection of explosives, and it's also used in NASA space applications and in research and development industries, and it's also used in laboratories and in process and production in department, etc. And conclusion: an electronic nose is a system originally created to function like an animal nose, and it offers a cheap and non-destructive instrument like programmed and automated technology, and can be operated by the non-specialists also. And then, since the whole process is automatic, the cost of each measurement is very low, and then the measurement cycle should be faster in order to increase the throughput. However, this analytic instrument is more multi-sensor array technology than a real nose, and whatever a sensor technology is still far from the sensitivity and selectivity of a mammalian nose, and therefore its aim is not to totally replace either the human nose or other analytic method. Electronic nose has came to the market, and in the year 1998 it's cost about $10,000, and then nowadays the components it's get advanced and the technology gets advanced, and so that the cost gets low. It's about $50 or an higher rate. And then it's a link about it's a paper about electronic nose detail about them, and I will share this link in my description. And then thank you all. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and thank you so much for spending time in this video.